Welcome to my channel Hare Krishna Law. It's not just a channel, it's a family. Family consisting of me and you. Without you, this channel is nothing. Today we are going to discuss the Maintenance and Welfare of Parents and Senior Citizen Act 2007. This act also provides for where there are some nuisance creators. They feel that they can do anything. Sometimes what happens, a relative of a senior citizen or a child of a parent, he takes the parent to a remote area, or he takes a senior citizen to a remote area and leaves him there in order to just get away from the senior citizen. Or sometimes it happens that a child or relative beats the senior citizen or the parent or his parents black and brown, so that this senior citizen or this parent just run away from the home and don't ask for any sort of maintenance. So in this scenario, if this senior citizen makes a complaint before the police authorities, straight away an FIR will be lodged against this nuisance creator, this child or this relative who is creating this sort of violence. So a senior citizen or a parent can't be abandoned, and if a child or a relative tries to abandon a senior citizen and tries to evade his duties, he will be prosecuted under section 24 of this act, and an FIR, first information report, will be lodged against him. He will get imprisonment for 3 months and a fine of 5,000 rupees. There are also other provisions. All the officials will be treated, working under this provision, will be treated as public servants as provided under section 21 CRPC. Furthermore, if any person, any public servant takes any step for the welfare or the maintenance of the senior citizen or parents under this act, he will be protected by this act. His conduct, his acts will be protected by this act. Suppose a child or relative is beating his parent or a senior citizen before a police official or before a maintenance officer or before a tribunal, and if somebody, in order to get away or push away, hurts this nuisance creator or slaps this nuisance creator, he will be protected under this act. The state government and the central government from time to time will try to establish old age homes, will try to improve the situations by which this act can be enacted in a more efficient way, by which this act can be publicized, advertised in the more efficient way, so that the public become aware of this facility provided by the state government, by the central government. The central government from time to time notify that how the state government will work in regard to these things. State government is also free to make rules for implementing this act. Thank you for giving me your precious time. I really feel obliged. I know I am not a wonderful guy, my voice is not so wonderful, but I try to explain law to you so that not you but some other chap, some old senior citizen, some parent will get benefit out of it. May some social worker will get some willpower after listening my video. May some social organization registered under Society Registration Act 1860 will come to the aid of this senior citizen after watching my video. The act was always there. What we need is sensitization, and you can also be the part of this sensitization. Share this video as much you can. This is also a way to sensitize, to create awareness regarding Maintenance and Welfare of Senior Citizen and Parents Act 2007. Such a long video is created just for the sake of senior citizens. Bless me. I just need your blessings. Subscribe this channel so that I will get inspired from your subscription. I will make some more videos, some more good schemes I will come up with. Kindly subscribe. I request you to subscribe my channel so that I get inspiration for my good work. This is the only way you can pay me some tribute. I need nothing from you. Kindly subscribe to my channel and kindly share this video, kindly share this link so that old age persons won't get beaten up by these uncultural, unsensitized, savage children's, savage relatives. You are the awareness. Knock the door if you find anything wrong. If you hear anything wrong, you can just knock the door. Even sometimes knocking the door or sometimes calling on 100 number itself is sufficient. You don't need to be a hero. Calling on a 100 number, you don't even need to give your name. You can inform that some cognizable offense is taking place here and you need to investigate this case. I am not giving you my name. You are not bound to give your name on 100 number call. Again, I ask you to subscribe my channel. Thank you for giving me your precious time. Share as much you can. Spread the awareness. Spread the good word. Spread the good vibes. Hare Krishna, Jai Shri Radhe, Jai Shri Krishna.